Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by using the dedicated brightness keys on your keyboard to raise the display quickly and easily. If your keyboard lacks keys, open the Action Center or System tray and drag the brightness slider to 100% for full output. On Windows, press the Windows key plus it to open Quick Settings and adjust the slider immediately without digging into menus. On Mac OS, use the touch bar or press the F1 and F2 brightness keys until the screen reaches your desired level. Disable adaptive brightness in Power Options to prevent automatic dimming when ambient light changes. Open Power Options and switch your plan to high performance to maximize display output and prevent conservative dimming. In Display Settings, set adaptive brightness off when using battery power so the screen stays consistently bright. Also check Advanced Power Settings for Intel or AMD Display Power Management, and set them to maximum performance for steady luminance across. Update graphics drivers to ensure brightness controls work correctly and reliably with your hardware and software. For laptops and modern displays, enable HDR or increased contrast in display settings to make images appear brighter without changing backlight levels. If you use an external monitor, open the monitor OSD and increase the backlight using physical buttons or on-screen controls for a true luminance boost. Finally, calibrate color and contrast after changes so whites and highlights look natural and not blown out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.